Hello. So I hope you guys find this valuable. What I am going to do here is show you a system for creating progress without having to keep a database. Simple way to empower a custom GPT on ChatGPT. It's very helpful for projects, but you can also do it for self-development. That was the idea here, as an example. So this is like a little tutorial. We're going to go over here. I do have to have the subscription to do this. Go to my GPTs. I'm gonna create a GPT. I'm gonna give you these values that you can just paste in yourself. So we're gonna start with the name, Consilience Catalyst. Is that how you say it? No idea. It's above my pay grade. Paste our description right here. Now we got a little set of instructions. I'm just gonna paste this all in. Okay, it's a bunch here. Bam. Boom. Okay. And then we got some conversation starters. And we put, I knew, how do I start? But we get another one, read and knowledge, and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna select this. That's so you can download the knowledge. We're gonna start with the knowledge. This one, Consilience Catalyst. Put that puppy in there. Let it load up. You want, you could also create an image right here. I wonder if you do the same time. Let's test it. Let's use Dolly. Is still continuing? See, come on. Big money, big money. Yeah, it's still continuing. Okay, we fast forward a little bit. So once that's uploaded, you got your nice little image. You click create. We're gonna click save anyone with a link, or you can do only me, whatever you prefer, or if you want to sell it, GPT store, click save. Second, I'm gonna set up the environment. Give me a moment. Okay, so I got a little section here later called my pasteable blurb. It has a bunch of information about me, right? Like, look at this. And I use this for like if I want to get help, AI to answer like in my voice, I could take this, copy it, paste it into an LLM, say this is my character, role play as this character, right? So it'd be a way for me to test out this thing we just made. Okay, so we're gonna say I'm doing how do I start here, and I'm gonna borrow do this, I'll just do this here. Oh, make this a little bit like this. My head's getting away, get out of the way, head. Get out of the way. Disembodied floating head. Okay, we'll do this. What's that? Okay, now I'm trouble grabbing this there. Okay. Okay. So, hi, I'm here to explore personal growth. Okay, it says, okay, so I'm going to say it here, answer these, Max, talking to myself. Adjusting my posture thoughtfully, considering the question with both my entrepreneurial and spiritual mindsets, right? And we're going to just do one example. We'll just do this one more time. Your journey is profound and committed to integrating business, spirituality. It's already gone. It's already too complicated for me. We're jumping ahead here, right? The more magical part, the more powerful part, I'm going to show you here in a second. I just wanted to move one more back and forth so we have enough information where it's meaningful. We're going back and forth, so it seems like we did a really in-depth session, right? Like imagine if you were thinking about this and writing this all out, like 20 minutes have passed, right? Jesus, hope you guys aren't reading this. Looks like some really personal stuff. All right. So after this, geez, I'm afraid to read this stuff. Okay, anyways, when it's done, what you want to do. Like you're doing a session. It's like, okay, I'm done for the day. It's just like a project. Like if I'm coding a project, then I have like a requirements document, and the project, it has a nice overview, and I'll start working. I'll just start working, and I'll write with the LM. I'll be like, oh, okay, I did this, and I did this, and I'll give you steps to do. And when I'm done for the day working or done for that session, I'll be like, okay, I am done for today. Will you please create an end of session report so we can continue later? Okay, so it's going to do that. And then we are going to, by the way, that's a very powerful thing to do. I'm starting to realize it more and more. Like if you kind of like take like a heavy inventory of like every aspect of yourself and have it as something you could paste into an LLM to speak in your voice, uh, can be helpful uh, for certain things. Not sure for what. Okay, so we have the end of session report. And what I'm doing is just going to copy like this. I'll just go ahead and do like a doc. Or a Microsoft Word doc. That's fine. Move this out of the way. We're just going to name this end of session report 01. Okay, and now it flies over here. Very inconvenient. I'm just going to paste that in here. But save it, close it. Get rid of this now. Then we're going to go to edit our GPT. What happened? See anything? Well, it's right there. Edit our GPT. Boop, boop, edit GPT. And the way it's set up is you just upload your file, go to desktop, session report, open that. And now, I'm gonna pause so you guys don't have to wait for this. Yeah, upload it. You just want to update up here on the top right. And then, let's say you sat down the next day, and all you got to do is boom. And it's going to take your history, and you'll continue your journey. All you have to do is ask it to say, write me an end of session report. And that way you can keep, it's kind of like having a database and take a journey. You don't need any extra tools, just a custom GPT. So this little guide here is for you. And I'm also going to give you this PDF, which is it's quite a deep, very, very deep, like self-growth thing that compiled from different documents. And yeah, just a giveaway. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you find value with this. If you're not aware of the power of doing projects that way, you will gain a lot from learning that little hack there.